What are you saying, Lydia?
Fish.
Oh, yeah? Are you guys eating your lunch? See, Lydia is the best eater out of all of you. Tegan, what are you eating?
Clown.
What are you eating?
Raisins.
Yogurt raisins?
Rice.
What are you eating?
Rice.
Get in your seat, please.
Rice.